In Kansas, an unexpected hailstorm turned an ordinary day into a nightmare for drivers. Apocalyptic hailstones rained down, shattering windshields and denting cars, causing panic on the highways. A sudden slide on the icy roads sent cars into uncontrolled spins, creating a chaotic pileup as vehicles struggled to stop. Drivers sought shelter under bridges, but the relentless storm left a trail of battered metal and broken glass. As the hail dissipated, emergency responders were met with a scene of devastation, a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable fury and the importance of heeding weather warnings.